Dengar-dengar korang ni nak jadi host 3R. Betul ke?
Excuse me. Correction, bukan kita orang nak jadi, diorang nak kita. Anyway, lagipun no
What
offense.
makes you think you can be a 3R girl?
Excuse me. Oh my god, that's an insult.
Sebab
you tahu tak yang dulu tu Rafida, Selina,
Kartini
so dull. Tak ada colour, tahu tak? Macam kita ni post pun dah ramai, rating dah naik, lonjak-lonjak dah. Kan?
apa nama dia orang? Again, what?
Rafida, Selina and Kartini.
Yeah, something like that lah.
3R. 3R needs a new.
Kalau anda nak jadi 3R host, bolehlah ke Facebook 3r.com.my.